Assalamu alaikum, Junior 2 students. How are you? Hope you all are fine and happy Ramzan to all of you. In this holy month of Ramzan, may we all blessed with good health. Ameen. This is your computer science teacher, Miss Rabia. Now let's start our today's lesson. In this video, we are going to revise these topics: Introduction to MS Word 2007 and features of MS Word 2007 of chapter number 6, Introduction to MS Word 2007. So students, open your book, click start to page number 64. Now start our new topic, Introduction to MS Word 2007. MS Word 2007 is an application which is used for typing text. We can also type essays, letters, poems, and much more. Now let's learn how to open Microsoft Office Word 2007. To open Microsoft Word 2007, you have to follow these steps. Step number 1 is click on Start button as shown in the picture. Now your second step is to click All Programs. From All Programs, there is a list appears on your monitor screen, and look at the picture number 3. From this option list, you have to click on Microsoft Office folder. This is your third step. Now your fourth step is to select Microsoft Office Word 2007. Features of MS Word 2007. Features of Microsoft Word 2007. Feature number 1 is Office button. Office button is present in the upper left corner. Students, look at the picture which is surrounded by red circle. This is Office button. When you click on it, now look at the picture number 2. This window appears on your monitor screen. This Office button window contains the list of options, for example, open, save, save as, print. Title bar. Title bar is also appears on the top of Microsoft Word. It displays the name of programs and the active documents. Ribbon. Ribbon is the main part of Microsoft Word. It appears below the title bar. We can divide ribbon into tabs such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, Reference, Mailing, Review, and View. Ruler. As you all know that ruler is used to draw a straight line. In the same way, MS Word have ruler at its both sides, left side and upper side. Ruler is used to measure the length, width, and it also shows the margin. Word area. A white blank area in MS Word is called work area. Work area is used to type text, essays, letters, and much more. Cursor. Students, all of you know that when you move your mouse, computer mouse, a pointing arrow appears on your monitor screen. This pointing arrow is called cursor, and this cursor shows the direction of your computer mouse. In the same way, MS Word has a cursor. It is a blinking vertical line. It appears on work area during typing, and it also shows the text location on your work area. So students, be prepared for class test, and you all know that this marks of this class test will be included in final examination. In class 2B and D, class test will be held on 18th May, and in section 2A and 2C, class test will be held on 19th May. Students, your online quiz for final term examination will be taken from chapter number 5, Fun with Paint, Groceries, from page number 59, and chapter number 6, Introduction to MS Word 2007, Groceries, page number 75. Now students, do the typing practice of 30 words for final examination. Sample paragraph is given to you. In this paragraph, you have to follow these instructions, like your first word or your first letter will be in capital form, and you have to give a space between two words, and after one sentence you have to put full stop. Now prepare these questions for your Viva test. Question number 1 is, which key is used to give space between two words? Question number 2, why we use caps lock key? Question number 3, name the key which is used to erase the letter. Question number 4, why we used shift key? And question number 5, which button is used to close MS Word? That's all for today.